In today's video, we're going to be talking about a site called Canva. Canva is a great site if you are, let's just say, a graphic designer and you want to earn a passive income by using a site such as Canva. You can be making templates such as logos or flyers, business cards, resumes, and you can even sell them on Shopify or Etsy and earn a passive income by using a site such as Canva. Now, don't get me wrong, there's also a bunch of other ways that you can make a bunch of money by using Canva as well. There are other ways of utilizing Canva as well. Let's just say if you're a photographer, it's a great photography tool for you as well. It's like Photoshop on steroids. And I even have an affiliate link if you'd like to check this out for yourself in the description. But for right now, I'm going to teach you exactly how to use Canva, why it's great, and all that coming up. But in the meantime, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more. I have a ton of videos about making money on Etsy and Shopify as well. And so you could check those out. And so now, getting right into it, Canva can utilize their Pro version and make things like shirts, mugs, labels, logos, banners, and a bunch more. See, I'm actually a print-on-demand specialist. Like, that's one of the things that I do. I love making a passive income with print-on-demand. Now, the graphic designs that I put on Canva are fantastic because I can make a bunch of money by utilizing their system in their Pro version. I can use their texts and put them on a site such as Redbubble or even Etsy, and through Printful and Printify, then I can actually sell them and earn a passive income. And that's what I've been doing for a long time now. And you could do the exact same thing. And so now here is exactly how to utilize Canva right now. Okay, so the first thing you do is you just type in some text right here. That's all you need to do is just type in some text right there. And you could see there are a bunch of texts right here that you can utilize and earn money from when you actually make these texts, and you can actually put them on sites like Etsy. And by using these templates, by using a custom, let's just say, logo or a business card, you can actually get money by people clicking on, let's just say, a site like Etsy. They would buy, let's just say, a product just like this, and you can even sell, let's just say, a text that you make and make this into a PNG, and you can even put this exact same text on, let's just say, Printful or Printify, and you can sell them in print on demand on either Etsy or Shopify. And this is extremely easy to do as well. Canva has a bunch of options also if you're a photographer that you could just make, let's just say, a certain photograph. And you can see right here, they're just putting in text and also little pictures, and it's extremely easy. And the site itself, it's extremely easy to just utilize just certain clip arts or certain pictures that you can make into graphic designs and sell on either Etsy or Shopify and sites such as that. Printable wall art on Canva. And so if you're a beginner to selling something either on Etsy, selling like digital prints or something, then someone can actually go to your shop and buy these digital prints that you make on Canva. And Canva is extremely easy to just use and make these digital prints. It makes it so much easier. The process itself is so much better by using Canva than to use another site such as possibly even Photoshop. And so, like I said, you can use JPEGs, PNGs, PDF standards, and a bunch of other options as well. You can also utilize Canva by video editing as well. So Canva is one of the most dynamic sites in terms of you using it for a bunch of things that you would like to, use it for. Or if you're an artist who likes to create graphic designs, it's great for you. If you're a photographer, it's also great for you as well by utilizing your actual photos and editing them in Canva. And it's just such a great tool, and it's something that is just really something that I personally use myself almost every single day. And what I do is I utilize this for digital products, and I sell digital products on Etsy. That's one of the main things I use it for. Also, I utilize it for creating graphic designs and selling them on also posters and things such as that nature on Shopify as well. If you're also creating a Shopify store, then you can even utilize Canva for making either backgrounds on your homepage or also logos as well. It's a great logo maker, and that's one of the things that I found by using Canva is that it's so much easier for me to use Canva by using logos than, let's just say, using a site like Photoshop. Now, this is extremely important and you need to pay attention to this part right here. I really hope everyone is tuned into this part of the video because this is extremely important. The legalities of using Canva. You don't want to get sued. Now, if you're using an actual template on Canva, you need to make sure that the actual template itself is highly modified. That's the only way you can sell it as a template on Canva. Now, of course, I would definitely consult with a lawyer as well as Canva as well, because I'm in no position to give you legal advice, but I have actually personally reached out to Canva and they have told me this themselves. So you can't actually let's just say click on a template and then sell it on Etsy. You need to actually completely modify this as well. Also, by using titles and texts, you can only use the pro version. And that's one of the reasons why I'm telling you guys to possibly even use the affiliate link and to purchase the pro version, possibly if you'd like to. I'm not forcing this on anyone, but that's just something I would personally do because according to Canva, this is the only way you can actually use the titles and the text itself by Canva legally and sell them by using a digital product on Etsy or Shopify or pretty much anywhere else. Now, of course, again, disclaimer, this is not legal advice. Definitely consult with either Canva or a lawyer about this and make sure that all of this is backed up and everything like that. But this is just what Canva has told me personally. And so this was a tutorial about how to use Canva. There are a bunch of other ways to use this site as well. This is one of the biggest sites that's up and coming nowadays, and it's something that is possibly even going to surpass Photoshop pretty soon, in my mind, if they haven't already, because they're just becoming such a great, big, powerful force in the tech industry. And it's something that I've used and I've made a bunch of money on by using Canva. And it's something that I would definitely, advise if you're a graphic designer, if you're a photographer, a videographer, if you're someone who does weddings, let's just say, it's a great tool to use in your portfolio. And so what do you guys think? Do you like Canva? Let me know in the comments. Does it work for you? Also, like this video, subscribe for more. And again, use that affiliate link if you like to possibly try to see if Canva works for you. If not, that's totally cool too. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.